One day, sir, you have to take me to a village and I will.
And you will?
And we will go to the villages.
Then you will charge too.
Bagman!
Recommend did you get that identifier?
Yes.
Can I have some? Go to university. Oh,
You can take me. No, we don't allow. Use water.
Sip water. Sip water. Use paper.
Use water.
Ini ada di sekolah.
Sama ya, video.
But before lunch, we should finish. Yeah. Just start decoration.
No, we cannot finish before that.
Yeah.
Hey, it's too thick. We have to do it.
Fill it up.
Use only one, two, four pieces.
Content creator. You send me the videos again.
Which video? Oh!
This is surreal. He's working very hard, helping the students to cut down all the stuff. Okay. And if you are born,
This is sir.
please.
Please.
Very dark.
Yung college mo. No,
So I guess when you fix
no more with the line. Because it's just very stingy.
it's like this.
Garing kenang? Sa.
Yeah.
Give that to the boys.
Bantay, ayo, magkupakai. And this.
Bantay? Give to Bantay one.
It's too short.
Because
Give me that one. Responsibility, man.
Yes, you're very responsible. Say hi, Bandri. Let me see.
very nice.
Hello, 1, 2, check. 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 Hello, 1, 2, check.
Hey! Good morning, sir.
Good morning, best friend.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Maya. Panahon!
Xavier writes, can you all hear me? Okay, please.
Veteran now, sa veteran na spend na ito. Tayo siya dito. Tay.
A very good morning, honorable chiefs, my respected teachers, and all of my friends. My name is Devi Bappalavanya. I'm from class 11A1, and it is a pleasure for me to stand here and deliver and recite a poem to you all. The name of the poem is from an essay of man, which is the second epistle by Alexander Pope, 1688 to 1744, who was a natural one. He was acknowledged to be the first poet of the stage. Know then thyself, assume not God to stand. The proper study of mankind is man. And thus in this world, in this isthmus of place, born but to die, but risen but to earth, whether he thinks too little or too much, chaos of thought and passion, all confused, but he said himself, abused, all this abused. Great Lord of all things, yet great all, sole judge of truth and endless ever heard, the glory, the jest, and riddle of the world. Could he, whose rose the rapid garment binds, fix, describe, or fix one movement of his life? Who saw its fire here rise and then descend between his own beginning, own end, but one, and when his own growth is but begun. What passion weeps, what reason weeps, when passion is undone. Thank you.
It's excitement. It is a spark. Well, I've been covering Father Ayla's alternative English classes. I've gotten a chance to get to know some of the students in class 11. Some of them, having just arrived a couple months ago, sit in the classroom like this. But today I have seen those same students come to life. They have come to life. They have shown me that within each one of you, there is a light. A light that is so bright. And I hope and pray that you do not hide this light within yourself. No, please, Class 11, we welcome you to St. Xavier's College. Let your light shine forth. Let it burn bright. Do not hide it, I beg you. Let it shine bright. Because as Father Sonny told us recently, the reason why this school exists and the way that it operates is not because of Father Sonny or the sisters or the teachers, but because of God. The light within you is God. Let that shine forth. Do not hide it. And if you see the light of one of your friends dim down, help them to make it shine bright again. It is an honor to be the chief guest today, and I thank you for this privilege. Continue to shine your light brightly. God bless you.